Today I want to share with you my experience with toiletry bags and how I found the best one that fits my minimalistic packing. After trying out different toiletry bags, I finally found the perfect one for me. The Forclaz Trekking Foldable Toiletry Bag, which is ultra light and compact. I've actually used this toiletry bag during my recent travels to Bohol, Siquijor, and Boracay, and I'm happy to report that the TSA staff didn't bother me about it, and I had a smooth experience using this bag throughout my trip. In case I encounter any issues with the bag in the future, I'll keep you guys updated in the comment section below. This toiletry bag is specially designed by passionate trekking teams to store and protect your belongings while saving space in your bag. It is very light and has multiple clever pockets to carry your toiletries during mountain hikes. I've been eyeing this bag for a while and I was hesitant to buy it because of the price. Let's talk about the product details. The Forclaz Trekking Toiletry Bag weighs only 43 grams and has a dimensions of 18 cm by 20 cm by 1 cm when unfolded, and 18 cm by 8 cm by 3 cm when folded. The bag is made of 100% polyester with webbing made of 100% polypropylene and a coating of 100% polyurethane. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. The Forclaz Trekking Toiletry Bag is excellent in terms of quality and easy to clean. It is also made of a material that makes it very compact and easy to carry, with mesh pockets that allow you to see the contents of the bag. It's also flexible, allowing you to store a decent amount of toiletries and still zip it closed. Additionally, it's easy to hang when taking a shower, making it convenient for travelers. On the other hand, there are a few cons to consider. The bag is not suitable for people with lots of makeup or toiletry products. Here's my waterproof test. After few minutes, merong konting basa na tumagos. To sum up, I highly recommend the Forclaz Trekking Toiletry Bag to minimalistic packers who want to save space and keep their toiletries organized. Although it's a bit pricey, it is an investment that will last a long time. And that's it for today's episode. If you have questions, just comment down below. But if you want me to try travel items, tag me on Instagram stories at I'm the Rare Mel. I am pleased to help you, my fellow travelers, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!